Morning. My nights ended with the morning. The day was unpleasant. It was raining, and the rain knocked sadly on my window. My room was dark, and the yard outside looked gray. My head hurt and felt heavy, and a fever quietly moved through my body. "Master, a letter for you from the city post. The postman brought it," said Matryona above me. "A letter? From whom?" I cried, jumping up from the chair. "I don't know, master. Look, maybe it is written there, from whom." I broke the seal. It was from Nastenka. "Oh, forgive me, she wrote to me. "I beg you on my knees, forgive me. I deceived both you and myself. It was a dream, a phantom. I am suffering for you today. Forgive me, forgive me. Do not blame me because I have not changed toward you. I said that I would love you, and I still love you now, more than love. Oh God, if only I could love you both at the same time. Oh, if only you were him. Oh, if only he were you," flashed in my mind. I remembered your own words, Nastenka. God sees what I would do for you now. I know you feel sad and hurt. I offended you, but you know, if one loves, does one remember an offense for long? And you love me. Thank you. Yes, thank you for this love, because in my memory, it remains like a sweet dream, one that you remember long after you wake up, because I will forever remember the moment when you opened your heart to me like a brother, and so generously accepted mine, wounded, so that you could protect it, warm it, heal it. If you forgive me, then my memory of you will live in me as a noble, grateful feeling that will never disappear from my soul. I will keep this memory. I will be true to it. I will not betray it. I will not betray my own heart. It is too constant. Just yesterday, it returned so quickly to the one to whom it belonged forever. We will meet again. You will come to us. You will not leave us. You will always be my friend, my brother. And when you see me, you will give me your hand. Yes, you will give it to me. You forgave me, didn't you? You still love me as before. Oh, love me. Do not leave me, because I love you so much in this moment, because I am worthy of your love, because I will deserve it, my dear friend. Next week, I am getting married to him. He returned in love. He never forgot about me. Do not be angry that I wrote about him, but I want to come to you together with him. You will like him, won't you? Forgive me, remember me, and love your Nastenka. I read this letter many times. Tears came to my eyes. At last it fell from my hands, and I covered my face. "Master? Master?" said Matryona. "What is it, old woman?" "I cleaned all the spider webs from the ceiling. Now you can marry. Invite guests, even today." I looked at Matryona. She was still a strong, lively old woman, but suddenly, I don't know why, she appeared to me with a dull look, with wrinkles, bent and weak. I don't know why, but suddenly it seemed to me that my room grew old the same way. The walls and the floor faded. Everything became dull. The spider webs seemed even thicker. I don't know why, but when I looked out the window, I felt as if the house across the street had also grown old and gray, as if the plaster on its columns had fallen off, the cornices had turned black and cracked, and the once bright yellow walls had become spotted and pale, perhaps a ray of sun, which had appeared from behind a cloud, hid again under the rain-dark sky, and everything faded in my eyes. Or maybe the whole sad picture of my future passed before me, and I saw myself as I would be 15 years from now, older, lonely in the same room, with the same Matryona, who had not grown wiser in all those years. But to remember my offense, Nastenka, to cast a dark shadow on your clear, peaceful happiness, to bring sorrow into your heart in a moment of joy, to wound it with a secret reproach, to make it tremble sadly when it should be full of bliss, to crush even one of those tender flowers you will weave into your black curls when you walk with him to the altar? Oh no, never, never. May your sky always be bright. May your sweet smile be calm and shining. May you be blessed for the moment of happiness you gave to another lonely, grateful heart. My God, 1 whole minute of happiness. But is that not enough for a whole human life? Ah,